Hi everyone, my name is Parker Latham, and today we're doing another St. Patrick's Day video. Welcome to on how to make St. Patrick's Day cupcakes. Mom is helping us again, so now we're going to start with this baking tray, make wonderful, delicious cupcakes. So later when we started the video, the oven is already heating up. So it's getting ready. So the oven is fully hot, and we're going to make sure that everything is on. In fact, this is actually a different color than I imagined. This time it was black, but it's gray. It's silver. But the other one, when we used to make blueberry muffins a long time, it was white. It was white silverish per color. This might take a while, so please help me so I can make these cupcakes. So Parker Latham enthusiast, you know I don't know how to cook because I'm a kid. So if you know that. Now that was pretty easy, but what about a bowl? So that's the start. We're gonna do this quick spray, then we'll go on to the rest of part 1. So now Mom is gonna get ready, so we'll see you in part 1.5. So guys, welcome back to part 1.5. So we have gotten all of our ingredients out of my pantry. So we are gonna pour them into this big, massive bowl. So first we gotta get out the container and start using scissors to cut out because I can't open. So Mom is gonna cut open right here. Magnificent. What dainty mountain. Time to put in some water. Next, we gotta get that vegetable oil. And you know milk is not required, so it's especially left out. So we're gonna pour it into 1/2.
No, 1/3.
Or 1/3 because I can't do math. But math is so easy for me, but here's the thing, I can't do fractions. Fractions are extremely difficult with me, so I can't figure out the right sum. But back to the actual tutorial. We gotta get some eggs, so it said on the box, which I never expected. We gotta get 2 eggs in it. 3 eggs. So we're gonna use up the last two of our eggs. Then we'll have to go to the grocery store in order to get more.
I bought extra.
Or maybe not. So you have to tap an egg until it completely cracks. Now we'll get a spoon to mix the cupcake mixture.
We're gonna use the mixer, the hand mixer.
Oh yeah! So as you never knew from my muffin tutorial and other
not that. That's the big mixer. We're gonna use the hand mixer. Do you know what the hand mixer is?
I've forgotten.
I'll show you. This.
Ugh. So we're gonna pour the mixture into the cake mixture, and we'll use the whisk.
No.
The whisk.
Hand mixer.
Or hand whisker with the whisks.
Hand mixer.
I know what it is. Until you gotta plug it into the device. Until we make these cakes will be pretty yummy. But remember, it's St. Patrick's Day today, so our frosting is going to be green or maybe right. And cover your ears for this because for if you're little, if you're a youngster or infant, you might want to cover your ears because they might start getting extremely loud. We'll move all the sugar, all the cake mixture, all the batter into this pan.
It smells good. It smells like vanilla.
Not much of a mild smell.
No, it has a mild smell.
How long do we have to do this?
Just a few minutes. You want to mix it all together. Like you don't want to see any of the dry batter. You want to make it, see how it's like, it looks like it's all blended.
It's gonna take a little while, so.
You'll be alright. Just take 2 minutes.
So we will.
It's faster with the hand mixer. That's why you use the hand mixer.
Maybe not.
See?
I bet it feels very bumpy. Oh my goodness,
No,
it does feel bumpy.
That feels bumpy. This is smooth. Look, see how smooth that is? Look. There's no, the batter. See how smooth the batter is?
Ooh. But I think that's
cool.
enough because I don't see anything there.
Yep. Okay.
So infants, you can stop covering your ears. The noise has stopped. So unplug the device. If we need it more, we'll keep it on charged in. But now it's time to do the spoon. But I don't know why Mom used a whisk because I saw those.
Oh, we do have a whisk, but for this I use a hand mixer.
Yep, we're gonna pour this in and then we will put the pan in the hot oven.
Read the box, Parker, and tell me how many minutes we have to cook them for.
Yep, I will do that.
There's multiple times. We're doing the cupcakes. Look on the box and it has all the times. How much time does it say for a cupcake? For cupcakes?
Where are the times?
Do you see the little box right there? Yep, at the bottom.
Like number 3. Where is it? I think it's right here. Like,
does it say 24 cupcakes?
Yeah, 24 cupcakes. You'll have to put it for 19 to 23 minutes.
19 to 23. So we'll start at 19.
Or 20 minutes.
We'll start at, okay.
Because then we'll be like 5:45 until these cupcakes will be finished. So cross your fingers that it's gonna be done very soon. Also, Mom, if we baked a bun, then we'll need 39 minutes to. Then we'll need 40 minutes to 45 minutes.
For what?
To bake those the bundles.
Bundles. To make more?
Yeah, if you wanted more cupcakes, you'll need. Nah, I don't want to redo the tutorial all over again.
You just it makes more batter. So see, we have all this batter left over.
Yeah.
So we can make more if we want to make more.
So I think that's all.
Right. Are we ready?
Time to put the pan in the outrageously smoking hot oven.
Okay, and 20 minutes.
Yeah.
There we go.
It's now time that we move on to part 2. I'll see you guys when it will be done. Woo, 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 woo!
1 hour later.
Welcome back to this tutorial on how to make cupcakes. Say, not just say cupcakes, if you will say. The cupcakes are done in the oven. Now this is the time to ice it. But I spent free time watching TV, so now it's time to do the cupcakes.
Okay, so I'm going to take out just some of this, okay?
To ice them.
Take out some of this, and then we're going to put the green, and then we'll stir it.
With the food coloring. Wait, what are we using the food coloring for?
The icing. To make it green.
Oh, yeah. Now time to mix the icing. Ooh, that looks yummy.
It's very
It's very
feathered.
Yeah, it's like feathered, dainty, outrageous.
Feathered, like when you Scoop it around like that.
Unbelievable.
Looks like mint.
Marvelous. They might become mint cupcakes
Okay.
because you know what I hate? Anything flavored with mint. Because I normally like crunchy stuff. Like Pirate's Booty, crackers, cheese, maybe sometimes apples, etc., etc. So now we're gonna make the cupcakes. This might take a while.
Just takes a little bit. You have to have patience.
I might wait and I might do a fast forward, but I might fast forward, but I don't care because I'm gonna stop this because this is gonna take like forever to do. So see you in part 3, which is part 2 is very short in this episode, but I'll see you in part 3. All scooped out and all ready. Welcome to part 3 of the cupcakes and St. Patrick's Day. All these cupcakes have all its icing. Now we gotta decorate them. So now we're gonna get some yummy sprinkles. We're gonna decorate them green, but I hope the leprechaun will probably eat all these cupcakes. But that won't happen to our house.
Okay. You want me just to scoop?
You have a few scoops. Magnificent. Magnificent. Only a few more scoops.
Got my finger caught in it.
That's hilarious. These look like yum cupcakes.
Okay. And done.
Nice work. I hope you all enjoyed this video on how to make St. Patrick's Day cupcakes. If you do, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Happy St. Patrick's Day and don't forget, of course, I still love ya.